Station, your future. Good evening. We now conclude another day of broadcasting activities. You have been listening to the 11206 AM, a commercial broadcast station owned and operated by the Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. The 1 AM operates around the clock at 1206 kilohertz with a transmission power of 10,000 watts. Our transmitter is situated in Marulas, Valenzuela, and our studio is located at the IBC compound, Capitol Hills Drive, corner Zuzwaregi Street, Capitol Hills, Diliman, Quezon City. The 11206 AM radio is maintained and operated by the following personnel. Duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Jonard B. Singgit with ECE license number 51677. Engineer John M. Cariaga with ECE license number 25330. Eduardo D. Dahilig Jr. 06-1 PNCR-23265. The 11206 AM, the future of AM radio, is now signing off. Ama naming nasa langit, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyong mapagbiyayang grasya sa aming DWAN radio station. Nagpapasalamat kami sa pagbibigay ninyo ng pagkakataon na magbahagi ng musika at balita para sa bayan. Basbasan mo ang mga Pilipinong nakikinig. Punuin mo ang kanilang puso ng kapayapaan, karunungan at ligaya. Gabayan mo kami na maging instrumento ng katotohanan at pag-ibig. Pagbukurin mo ang aming bansa sa kapangyarihan ng iyong salita at himig. Hinihiling namin ito sa matamis na pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.